Several weeks ago, I had my supply line upgraded from a 3/4 supply to a 1-inch supply line in hopes that that will help increase the amount of volume I have, and if I have the right amount of pressure, it will help solve some of my issues when it comes to getting things done correctly. So I had the sprinkler system I had the sprinkler system. It was not on. There was no water supply to it, but I did get it connected. Did a video on how to repair some of the sod, because the way that the sod was left by the people that work for the city was not great. But while I was out of town, my wife called me and said that all the people said that the secondary lines were on, the secondary water was on. I had her look at this spot here, asked her if there was any water coming out of it. She said no, there's not. She went and looked over here, and she said that water was flowing out of it. Well, upon further review, when she lifted up the manhole, you can still see some of that, it was leaking, and it looks like they fixed it now. It was spewing water right out of here, but you can see they've replaced some gaskets. Come to find out that the gaskets in it were bad and they were leaking everywhere, so I had to wait for the city this morning to come and fix that, but I'm so glad they left their junk in the manhole. That's cool. But the water's on. When I went to turn the sprinkler system on, this is what I got surprised with. I've marked this. This is what we've got. We've got ourselves a broken head. Looks like I got some repairs to do. Let's get after it. think we got a winner. Hey everybody, just wanted to do a quick reminder about our 2022 subscriber giveaway. We are giving away 2 dethatchers that have been featured in some of my previous comparison videos. At the 2,500 subscriber mark, we're going to give away the Lawn Master Dethatcher Scarifier, and at the 3,000 subscriber mark, we're going to give away the AJ801E Dethatcher Scarifier as well. To be eligible, all you need to do is be a subscriber, go in and like the video for the comparison of the Works Dethatcher, the Sunjoe 805E, and the Lawn Master Dethatcher Scarifier. Please leave a comment down below, share it with your friends, and when we get those 2 subscriber marks, we'll announce the giveaway winner. I'm really excited to be able to give back to the community for all the likes, the shares, the subscribes, and all the love that has been given to the channel this year. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.